Okay, so if you've been looking for something, anything like an off switch for that relentless wave of morning sickness, you are in the exact right place. We're about to break down a super simple breathing technique that can give you real, fast relief right when you need it the most. But first, let's just get real for a second. We all know pregnancy can be an amazing time, but that doesn't magically make morning sickness easy. It's really tough, and it is completely 100% okay to not love every single moment of this journey. And this is so important to hear. You can be incredibly grateful and excited to be pregnant, and in the very same thought, feel like, ugh, this is awful. If that's you, I see you. You are not alone, and your feelings are absolutely valid. So, what can we actually do about it? Well, there's this really powerful technique that comes from yoga, and it's designed to interrupt that whole nausea spiral and just calm your system down fast. The best way to think about it is like a built-in air conditioner for your body. The official name is Sitali Pranayama, but honestly, we can just call it the cooling breath. You know how a dog pants to cool down? This technique kind of uses the same idea, using your breath to lower your internal temperature and soothe your nervous system. The effect is almost immediate, and you'll understand why as soon as you try it. All right, so how do you actually do it? I'm going to walk you through it step by step. There are actually a couple of ways to do this, and we'll start with the most common one, which has a pretty memorable name, you'll see. First, just find a comfortable seat. Now, see if you can curl the sides of your tongue up to make a taco shape. If you can, great. You're going to inhale through that little tunnel, just like you're sipping cool air through a straw. Then, close your mouth, pause for just a second, and slowly breathe out through your nose. Did you feel that? The air feels instantly cool on your tongue and in your throat. Now hold on, if you're sitting there thinking, my tongue does not do that, please do not worry, for real. Being able to do that is actually genetic, so if it's not happening for you, there is an equally effective alternative. You're not doing anything wrong at all. So for this version, you just gently let the tip of your tongue hang out, almost in a soft little scoop shape. Now breathe in through your mouth, letting the air pass right over the top of your tongue. Then, same thing, close your mouth, pause, and exhale through your nose. You'll get that exact same cooling, calming effect. So why is this ridiculously simple breath so effective? I mean, it seems almost too easy, right? Well, it turns out it's got this dual power. It's not just about the physical feeling of being cool, it's also working on a much deeper neurological level. So here's how it's working in two ways. Physically, that sensation of cool air sends a direct signal to your body to just relax. But energetically, it does something even more important. It helps shift you out of that fight or flight mode. We all know that nausea feels 1,000 times worse when we're stressed or anxious. This breath helps to flip that switch. Okay, so how do you actually put this into practice in your daily life? The real beauty of this technique is just how simple and accessible it is. You can literally do it anywhere at any time. So the next time you feel a wave of nausea coming on, whether you're at your desk, in your car, or just lying in bed, try doing 3 to 5 slow rounds of this breath. It is completely safe during pregnancy, and you truly cannot overdo it. Use it as often as you need to just reset your system. Now, while this breath is an amazing tool for relief in the moment, it's also worth knowing that if your nausea is constant and just really persistent, there might be a deeper reason. Recent research has actually linked severe morning sickness to an intolerance to a hormone called GDF-15. This cooling breath is still a powerful way to manage the symptoms, but it's good to know that sometimes your body might need more support. I really encourage you to try this. And think about it this way. Even if this technique only gives you 60 seconds of relief, think about what that 1 minute can do. It's a powerful reminder to your body of what it feels like to be calm. And sometimes a single minute of peace is all it takes to completely reset your entire day.